Welcome back to another tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the CapCut application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device, and then just look for the search button. Now within the search box, just type in CapCut and begin your search. Once you find the CapCut video editor application, just click on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will begin the download and installation of the CapCut application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you can tap on the open button, and now this will open up the CapCut application on your device. You can now agree and continue forward and answer a few questions to begin your editing journey on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install CapCut Video Editor on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.